Captain America, y'all.
Hey, where Bucky at?
Oh, he even got the shield too.
That's GTO.
That's one of my dream cars. I want one so bad. I just, the ones I've been looking at. Hey, you want to ask out, Cedar?
No.
GT500. Make it do a wheelie. That's the fastest thing out here, man. That thing, look at that, Cedar. That thing got some meaty tires on it. Almost got your butt kicked.
What's her number too?
Bro, you see the license plate say you go first.
Welcome back to another video, you guys. If you're new, think about subscribing and make sure you leave a comment down there what y'all thought of this video. And as you guys can see, it's not looking too good outside. Hopefully that doesn't mess up the footage of this video, you guys. Tell me what y'all thought. I'll get into this thing, man.
What'd you say? Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
Just made it here. You got a GTO. Got something on the back of that thing. I love me some GTOs. And it's raining. Hopefully this video don't come out bad. Guys, check this out. It says fill me up. Fill me up. That's clean right there. Tasmanian Devil. There. Mustang Shelby, GT500, 350. Cars coming. What's that say on there? chilly out here too. Zero him, Air Max. Oh, this hers? Hold on. Okay, I should have grown that little wind thing. Hopefully it ain't windy, man. It's gonna mess the whole video up if it's windy. Gonna delete the whole purpose. Oh, we got the Cars guy. What's his name again, Decker? What's this guy's name in Cars? Don't be looking at. Oh man, you're supposed to know right off the bat. Look at that joint over there. It's that truck over there. Oh, he's about to take that joint off, huh? Sound like it runs too. I thought they called, man. There go the ones that's coming in. Look at that, dude. That thing got some meaty tires on it. Charger. I don't know what it is. All it says is Power Wagon on it. Look at that Power Wagon. He cutting up over there. Old school's taking over. I know this is a Chevy right here. Just don't know what. Oh, it's about to start raining, man. I missed the whole video up, bro. Go to sleep in that thing. That bed right there. CR. I've seen that. Covering up the mic. This is a nice Camaro. This is the Transformers. What's his name? B? Bumblebee, all right. I wouldn't mind getting this thing. Ooh, if it just was hot and wasn't rainy today, it'll be really nice. But the rain got to mess up everything. Oh, got more? Oh, man. That's nice. And he even got the car, the shark. That one, oh, look at that. Scared the heck out of me. I wanted a Corvette at one point. It's just too small for me. It's kind of low.
Like he wanted to put a supercharger in it, but I was like, if you put a supercharger in, you're literally gonna break the car. Probably rip it. I think he thinks this one right here. Yeah, he got a whole nitrous outlet.
Oh yeah, it is.
He got a whole nitrous.
Yeah, it is. He even got the button in there too.
He got the button.
Yeah. Yeah, he running. Yeah, he even got it right here.
Roll cage and the parachute. Ooh, that's a big bottle too.
I like this rumble.
Bro, you see the license plate say you go first.
You go first.
Oh, it's got the little, it's got the original stick.
Yeah,
in
stick
it.
shift.
Okay.
Oh. Watch it.
Watch it, man.
I like that joint right there. That's what you do. That. Look at that.
Yep, that's a Mustang, alright.
That's what you do, Dedrick. You modify your car, put it on a trailer, you take it to wherever you need to go. Don't drive it every day like some of these dummies. Y'all get out the way, man. Captain America. He putting the windows up. Y'all can't see him in there. I'm gonna show y'all when he get out.
The first Avenger.
Isaiah!
Sound like the Fort cannons are showing up. I'm sorry, y'all. It just came out. Oh boy. Oh boy. They doing like I did. Hey, how much to get in? $20. I ain't got that type of money. Hell no. Oh. Oh, he done lowered it. Oh, it's owned by a lady.
She got good taste.
Mm-hmm. I was looking to aim for you guys.
What's her number?
Got America over there. I love this color, man.
I don't like purple like that, but hey, this is... You can tell this is a race car too.
They took out the dashes, new everything new in here.
Yeah. You can tell this is on the track. I don't know. Ain't no back seat.
And that's for the parachute right there. How you doing?
Oh, the license plate.
My dad likes these. Oh, it's automatic. I thought it was stick shift.
Oh, it's dick shit.
It's automatic.
Oh, look at the Cheetos. They got check the Cheetos.
I don't know. It looks different from the other Mustangs. I don't know.
It's raining again. Oh, look, chance to cheat again.
I would go over there, but they playing that copyright, man. No thanks. No thank you. This rain is really messing stuff up. Fire wagon. He's got two of them in there. Look. 2 turbos.
That's a good one, man. Yo, the doors open that way. That's
Huh?
that shit.
Ooh, it looks nice in there, man.
Oh, that's a unique stick.
Road runner.
Let's look at the road runner stick.
I know they cost some money.
Oh, that's clear. I never knew.
Also, Volkswagen has a train.
This has a train?
Train horn.
Oh, that's
And
cool.
since it has a train horn, and it also has smokestacks at the back. It's currently covered right now.
Ooh. That's cool.
So it's kind of like an 18-wheeler.
Got that boy Isaac inside. Oh, that's nice.
It's in the House of Hot Rods toy box garage. This is one of all these cars that are parked right here. That's House of Hot Rods are the most iconic House of Hot
Oh,
Rods.
yeah. I like the paint on here too. Got the wood grain on the
Carbon is
back.
the second most iconic. Carbon is the third most iconic.
Huh.
No, this teal one is old blue. That one, the kid inside, is carbon.
Oh, dang.
We call him that because he has a carbon hood, grill.
Like how? How you supposed to open it? Oh, so it's just like the GTRs.
You put it in, and then it'll open a little handle.
Oh, okay. Huh. Chevy was doing that too at one point. Oh, that's neat.
Very nice design.
Oh yeah. That's immaculate. Immaculate.
On two of the gauges, they light up whenever you turn the music on.
Oh.
Sorry, I like calling fast.
Well, they even got speakers in there too. You like this one, Mike? Yeah. I like the clusters.
See that name that they replaced with the glove box in
Oh
there?
yeah, it glows up.
Yeah, it lights up because of the switch under it. This is its colors are olive green, galaxy blue, and purple.
Ah, so it's three colors.
Yeah, the olive, green, and the purple are like the shiny stuff.
You're kidding on his stuff.
Oh yeah, you do.
The
19.
bed has a design.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Hold on.
House of Hot Rods. Classics. I would try them out.
And the door comes out this way.
Nice white
Oh,
interior.
that's cool. That's cool. You got the stick shift in the middle. Smell good in there
Paper
too.
on the ground because they don't want anybody messing up their white with this.
I don't blame them.
I don't blame you.
fly ever amounted to anything in the history of Hill Valley. Yeah, well, history is gonna change.